Credit Karma, friend or foe? What you really need to know. Ever applied for a loan and gotten hit with that dreaded application denied? It can be frustrating, especially without a clear reason why. Well, my friend, that could all be down to your credit score. This mysterious 3-digit number holds immense power over your financial life. It dictates your interest rates, loan approvals, and even whether you get that fancy apartment downtown. But where do you even begin to understand this credit score beast? That's where Credit Karma swoops in, claiming to be your free knight in shining armor. They offer credit score monitoring, reports, and a whole bunch of financial tools, all for the sweet price of $0. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's dive in and see what really happens when you use Credit Karma. Free credit score? Yes, please. Okay, let's face it, the free credit score is Credit Karma's biggest draw. They pull your credit data from two major bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax, and give you a Vantage score. This is a different credit scoring model than the FICO score most lenders use, but it's a good starting point to understand your credit health. Here's the beauty, you can check your score regularly, giving you an idea of how your financial decisions are impacting it. Did you finally pay off that credit card debt? Boom, your score might jump. Miss a payment? Brace yourself for a potential dip. This constant monitoring allows you to be proactive with your credit health. Credit reports, unveiling the mystery. But a credit score is just a number. You need to understand what's behind it. Credit Karma provides access to your credit reports, which detail your entire credit history. Loan applications, credit card usage, even public records, it's all there. This transparency is powerful. You can identify errors on your report that could be bringing your score down. Did a previous address get mixed up? Did a late payment get mistakenly reported? You can dispute these errors directly through Credit Karma, potentially giving your score a much-needed boost. Beyond the score, building a financial toolbox. Credit Karma isn't a one-trick pony. They offer a variety of tools to help you manage your finances better. Budget trackers help you stay on top of your spending, while credit card recommendations can connect you with cards that fit your needs and potentially improve your credit mix, the different types of credit you have. There are even educational resources to help you understand complex financial concepts. It's like having a free financial coach whispering smart money moves in your ear. The not-so-free side of free. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. How does Credit Karma make money if they offer everything for free? Here's the catch: targeted advertising. By analyzing your credit score and financial habits, Credit Karma tailors credit card and loan offers specifically to you. These offers might seem tempting, but remember, Credit Karma gets a commission if you get approved. This can create a potential conflict of interest. Are they showing you the absolute best options, or the ones that make them the most money? Credit Karma versus traditional credit reporting. It's important to remember that Credit Karma isn't a replacement for traditional credit reporting services. While their Vantage score is valuable, it might not perfectly match the FICO score lenders use. Additionally, Credit Karma only shows reports from two bureaus, while a full credit report includes all three major bureaus. So, is Credit Karma right for you? Credit Karma is a fantastic tool, but it's not a magic bullet. Here's the verdict. Use it for monitoring your credit score, identifying errors on your report, and gaining basic financial knowledge. Be cautious of relying solely on Vantage score, falling prey to aggressive credit card offers, and neglecting to check reports from all three bureaus. The bottom line. Credit Karma empowers you to take control of your financial well-being. But remember, knowledge is power. Use Credit Karma as a stepping stone, but always do your own research and be mindful of potential biases. By combining Credit Karma with a healthy dose of skepticism, you can unlock the true potential of this free financial service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.